What happens if you install RAM in the wrong direction? In this experiment, I'm going to be misaligning the gap in the RAM stick and the bump in the RAM slot. Let's see if doing this and applying a lot of pressure can actually damage any parts of the computer. As you can see, with this misalignment, the RAM doesn't slot in nicely. Really trying to force the RAM into the slot resulted in a clip being broken off. With that minor casualty out of the way, let's see if the computer even works. As you might expect, the computer does not post with this RAM in the incorrect direction. But is it damaged at all? Let's try flipping it back around and seeing if we can get a signal. With that, you see that it boots to life as normal. So if you find yourself having to press really hard on your RAM, double check that it's in the right direction.